guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a new subscription box, well, new to me. This is called TheraBox and it says ingredients to happiness. Thera like therapeutic. So I'm really curious to see what's in here. Let's just open it and find out, shall we? I like the inside of the box, has all of this, you know, stuff. Okay, ingredient list, theme your year. Inhale the future, exhale the past. Wow, win a free box, get a bonus gift. Wow, there's a lot of information on this little pamphlet that I am not going to read right now. My 2017 happiest moments, favorite memory, most grateful for, a proud moment, an aha moment. That's kind of cute. Oh, and then on the outside, 2018, to embrace, to let go of. This is cute, I like this. Americano mask, real original coffee. It's just like a coffee sheet mask? Yes, it is. That's really fun. Oh, I like that. Coffee is really good for your skin. Plus the packaging, I mean, come on, how cute is that? What is this? Whoa, baby, is this a pen? Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's a pen with this giant diamond on the end of it, you know? It looks like a wand or something. That is too cute. I love it. Okay, let's see, what is this? Starboard Alchemy Mocha Mask. It's like all coffee stuff. I'm digging that. Oh, and it's a powder, so you must like mix it with something. It doesn't like say what it's for or what it's supposed to do. I'm gonna have to read my card and see if it gives me more info on this stuff. Mood Range Energy Tea. Ooh, organic herbal tea blend. This looks interesting. I do drink a lot of tea. Like a lot of tea. Oh, I guess, are these all the different teas? This is kind of cute. Let's see, we've got happy tea, energy tea, sleep tea, sex tea, hangover tea, rest friend tea, fertility tea, her tea, anti-C tea, man tea, tiny tea. Wow, there's a lot of different teas. So this is the energy tea. I'm just gonna open it up and smell it, see what it smells like. That's nice, I'm excited to try that. And it's a full box of tea, that's awesome. Okay, let's see, what else do we have in here? Be Soothed Signature Sugar Scrub Soap, Foaming Sugar Scrub. Ooh, that sounds nice. Smells good. Ooh, I'm excited to use that. That sounds fun. What is this? Kadar, I know that brand. I love that brand actually. Precision Point Eyeliner. Ooh, I love eyeliner too. Oh, it's like a felt tip. Let's see. Oh, that's inky black and good. I can't wait to use this. I love Kadar products. Yay! And then the last one, Goals Journal. Every day do something that will inch you closer to a better tomorrow. This looks like a nice journal. And it's just page, date. Oh, and it has like colored tabs on there. This is nice. Very cool. Well, this is a cool box. I really like this. I'm excited to use this stuff. I'll have to let you know what I think of these things. There's a lot more beauty in here than I was expecting, and I love that I got an entire box of tea. So I will leave all of the information in the description box, so make sure that you check that out. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!